Hello and welcome. This is Jilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, with a cyclone about to hit our coastline apparently. So we're having to run around the house and get everything locked up, put away, and brace for this cyclone. So I'll let you guys know how we go. Currently on Wednesday, the 5th of March 2025. So let's hope my art room survives. That's the most important thing to me, above the family and my dogs, of course. This little piece is another little test piece I wanted to do. I've got a nice gold paint there, just mixed with my pouring medium. As you'll find, all my instructions to pouring medium and links to the videos are in the description box below every one of my YouTube videos. So I'm just spreading this gold as my base coat, and the colour that I will swipe over it to try and get the most amazing gorgeous cells is Amsterdam Lamp Black mixed with Australian Floetrol only. So I'm doing the swipe, and I really want to get some amazing cells to my background for the next technique that I will do on this piece. So let's see how we go.
The problem is for me, I need certainty. So tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, letting go. Tell me, should I know? Just tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? Tell me, should I know that you'll be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow?
Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. How spectacular. Oh my goodness, that is so gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Lacing is absolutely fabulous. Wow. On with the next step. So for the next step in this one, I'm going to do chain pulls over that, and I've just put 3 colours there on the piece of soft plastic and got my chain, and I'm going to, I know it was off camera there, it was just laying the chain into the colours, so the colour is on the chain, and then doing these squiggles, and let's see what we get. It kind of produces like a nice flower or piece of coral effect on the canvas, and I just thought it would be perfect with that kind of background of those lovely lacy cells, and this is what I continue on with, and it just is beautiful. So I'm really thinking I should try my next one on a black or navy blue background with white cells, and then try some other colours on that, but really enjoying this process. It was really therapeutic because it was done really nice, slow and relaxed, as you can see. And yeah, it was just a really nice, easy, lovely piece to do. Kind of a little bit more delicate than I would normally do, I guess. But what I see I'm doing there, I'm pulling the chain right off the canvas, and maybe I should have lifted the chain and not got that last like leggy bit or stemmy bit. I'm not sure. So I'm, you know, I've done chain pulls loads of times before, and you live and learn every time. So put some more paint on there, the same colours, and just going to continue on.
So tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go. Tell me, should I know?
I'm just going to add something a little different in this top area. I'm going to just do those puddles of paint on top of those lovely cells, and I'll just blow those out with my straw. So let's see how they turn out. So I love my little flowers in the corner. I just added something a little bit different to it. I think I'm going to resin this piece to see if those cells really do, you know, pop in there. So I'll leave it to fully dry over 2 weeks and cure before I resin. But somewhere down the track I will show you the end results of if I do resin coat it. Well, I must say, pretty happy with that. Look at that cutie patootie. The cells held out. The chain pulls, that beautiful colours that came out in that gold. I don't mind the demarcation line down there. I could, I'm going to leave it, I think. Quite happy with that. Love it. Love it, love it. Hope you do too. Yeah, super happy with that. It dried absolutely perfect. I will leave it, like I said, and give it a resin coat. So my lovelies, please take care of yourselves, and remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, then a helpline. Don't suffer in silence. Bye for now.